Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use 3 best AI tools for data analysis. Research the most powerful AI tools. Now with this one, we're gonna start off with Julius AI. Now as a fellow data analyst, I really love Julius AI. Second to ChatGPT of course. However, with this one, it's a bit more complicated than ChatGPT, but I'm gonna teach you an easy way to really understand it, okay? Now once you're here, I want you now to make sure this is the login or the landing page you should be seeing on your end also. The first thing we want to do is of course sign up, use your dummy Google account, and I'll see you once in there. Now welcome back to the video. Right now this should be the landing page or the inside of Julius. Right now I'm using the free trial because I want to show the general audience how it should look like on the free trial and make another video for the paid subscription if you really want it. Now for the pricing, let's go to it right now. Now this is going to be the prices. We have $20 per month for the starter, standard for $45, pro, and team. Right now we're using the free trial, that's why we only have 15 messages left. It actually refreshes every few hours, not quite sure how many hours it is, but it is refreshing every few hours. Now let's go back on the landing page again, and with this one you're going to have some section. You have getting started, popular, and newest. As you can see right there, each section gives me different results. For example, the quick visualization, the data cleaner is under getting started. For the popular, you have data visualization, writing an essay, and the works. You can also choose workflows, which is under workflows is a very new method. Basically automate the process of interacting with your data, analyze and visualize, and gain insights effortlessly. I'm gonna focus more on this later on. However, for this one, we're gonna focus on the main chat. First, to get started with this one, you need to choose your model. Right now, I'm running in Python, but you can run the second one. However, for me, I'm gonna go with Python. Next up, you can choose 2 ways. You can upload a file, Google Sheets, or manage secrets. Now, what is basically secrets? Now, secrets is another title or another feature it has here. Basically, manage secrets for the AI to use securely. It's a bit more in a private use if you're no incognito. Basically, that's it. Now, for the tools, we have code, we have search, and model chat. So chat directly with popular AI models disables our underlying prompt and tools. I do not suggest this as of now since you're a beginner. This is much more on the advanced level. So just make sure for the code and search are in there and you'll be good to go. Now with this one, let me just upload a file. It should be around here somewhere. It's an Excel file of datasheet I have for project management. So if I click on this one right there, while it's uploading, even though I haven't clicked on the enter yet, or the prompt, it will give me a preview on how it should look like. Now for the sidekick, you're gonna see the issues detected. Headers must be first row, no blank rows allowed. You're gonna see the sidekick is basically your co-pilot. And this is actually what it looks like for the preview. Now with this one, you can ignore, or basically you can make a header. If I click on this one right there, it will make a header for me. Now imagine how powerful is that. I did not even open the spreadsheet. I did not open the Excel file. It's now creating a header for me. Pretty awesome tool, right? Now before we upload it, you're gonna see a summary. So the project file contains data about various projects, their tasks, assigned personnel, and the works. Now for the prompt, I'm gonna type here, please provide insights or an insight, something like that, about the data or data. Now before I click on enter, you can choose your model. You can choose ChatGPT 4 or Cloud Sonnet. You can also choose additional models, but these are for paid subscription. We're gonna utilize the most default one as of now, and simply click on enter. Now it's currently connecting to Julius. As you can see right here, we're asking insights about our data sheet. Now welcome back to the video. Now as you can see right here, I have uploaded some of it an error. However, I did that intentionally because I want to see how powerful Julius is. As you can see right here, it has clean and analyzed data management for the error. Possibly the column start date does not exist in your data frame. For the second one, possibly trying to access a column that doesn't exist in your data frame. You can check the code here. This is basically the Python code. You can also explain this error if you like. If I click on this one, on your sidekick or co-pilot if I call it, on the right side, the error countering is a value error, indicating that the date string 1/14/24 doesn't match the expected format. And as you can see right here, basically, you can now fix this one with this code. To solve this, you can either adjust the format string to match result, and with that being said, I'm gonna leave it as it is first. Cause with this one, I just wanna know if how powerful it reads our data. Now to follow up our question, we have some follow-up samples here. So what are the key metrics for project performance in the data? Now I wanna highlight that it's like talking to a person. You don't have to start another thread of a conversation. You can just follow up your questions one at a time. Now as you can see right here, I did not ask for a specific role or specific question. I just followed up with my previous question regarding my datasheet. So to analyze the key metrics for the project management data, it's currently examining the relevant columns. This is gonna be the result as of now. So it appears the data wasn't loaded correctly. The column names were not what we expect. Let's fix this issue and then analyze the key metrics. I really like how powerful Julius is. It's currently troubleshooting my own data. It's currently fixing it with this code actually. And right now it's currently fixing it, and I'll see you once inside. Now welcome back to the video. Right now these are the error that was fixed on my sheet, and I'm really amazed. This is actually a free trial, okay? Now it really fixes some things that are intentionally that I removed properly, so I want to see how powerful it is. Now to start a new chat, because I want to upload another set of data, simply click on start new chat here. Or you can upload another one, but this is for multiple files. This is for paid subscription. So to start a new chat, simply click on new thread right there. Upload your new one. I'm going to upload a file here. And I'm going to go with a little bit more simply right there. So this is going to be the file. And I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Right now, since we already asked the insights or provide insights of the datasheet, this is a new one, right? I'm gonna skip the previous questions before and go straight on asking for visualization. With this one, I'm gonna ask, please provide something like that. So please provide a visual aid or a graph about the data. Let's see if it will give me a graph, and I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be the graph you have. You can have interactive or static. For interactive, this is it. You can now change the title, the X label, the Y level. You can even change the colors here. Now, really amazed about this one. So please check them out. That's Julius for you. You can also download this chart right here. With one click of a button, you have the chart on your PC. Easy as that. Now for the next AI tool we're going to talk about is PowerDrill. I actually have a video solely focused on PowerDrill with a comprehensive tutorial, but for now we're just gonna explain the bare here, or the beginner tutorial, so you can compare the three AIs here, okay? Anyway, if you want a comprehensive tutorial, please check out my video about PowerDrill. Anyway, once we're here, let's sign up with a Google account or a dummy Google account, and I'll see you once inside. Now welcome back to the video. Right now, basically this is how it should look like once you're in here. So choose a file right there to upload the file, but before we get into it, I want to show you the pricing first. Now this is going to be the prices for the free version. Basically that's what we have right now. This is it. We have basic, plus, and pro, and right here you can now choose which plan you want. But for now we're going to focus first on the free trial. Again, choose files right here. I'm going to choose the file from earlier, and with this one's currently being uploaded, and as you can see right there, all files has been uploaded. It's now currently synchronizing data sources, reading the document. And let's just wait for it to finish. Perfect. It has successfully uploaded, and you can now create data fact. This is actually a new feature in PowerDrill. If you try it right there, click it right here, it's now creating a data fact. It has an outline, the content, and actually the finish. And as you see right here, with one click of a button, again guys, I want to highlight, with one click of a button, it gave me this one. It's like a paper or a page made out of my datasheet. It even included a generated image or a cover photo with it. It's a really good one. It's a really good feature in PowerDrill. Basically, read through all of my data. For question 1 right there, relative increase regarding what I have inside the data. Now, as you can see right here, you can download as a PDF, a Word document, or a Markdown. I'm really amazed about this new feature. It also has the visual comparison of the graphs. You can choose line right there, you can choose pie, donut, or even a table. I'm gonna go with area there. Also, you have the overview, the key observations. Actually, I'm lost of words here, how powerful this is. Now, if you're satisfied with this one, simply click on PDF, Word, or Markdown. You can download them to your PC. Now going back here, of course I still want to show you how it works for PowerDrill. Of course with this one, I'm gonna type in please provide an insight about the data. Something like that, and I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Right here with my question for the insight, this is actually what it gave me. It gave me a very specific and comprehensive answer. It has 37 rows, 6 columns detailing various projects and tasks within an organization. Key axis will be project, task, assign, day ranges, and progress. Basically, we can now ask for dataset insights. So based on the provided information, will it be possible to provide some inquiry or relevant inquiries? That is actually a suggested question inside PowerDrill itself. Now these are the example questions. If I click on this one, it will ask itself. For example, let's choose one here. So who is the frequently assigned team member? If I click here, it's now actually asking itself and basically answering itself. This is the Python code generating, and with that being said, these are the team members being actually frequently asked. So the conclusion is equal task distribution for Fiona, Sam, and Rachel. No single most assigned member. I really like that option right there, because it also now finds out that all of the tasks here are equally distributed to Fiona, Sam, and Rachel. It also told me that there is not one member that is singly most assigned. How powerful is that, right? But again guys, the new Jack data fact is actually a good one right there. Please check it out. Now of course, let's try the most awaited question here. Is it actually a good one or good enough to give me bars or visual aids, right? For the check data fact, it already showed it can do that. What if can it do here? Basically the thread itself. Now I'm gonna type this question. So visualize the data and give me a bar graph. So if I click on that one right there, it's now creating a bar graph. I'm gonna see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Right here, this is the bar graph we have. Again guys, it's really interactive. Same goes with the previous one on the check data fact. This is going to be the description, the conclusion, and the works. The details are right here for the X and Y axis. Of course, before we move on, I want to show you this one. It also has a very specific rule. For the general, basically the most basic question. For the advanced analytics, if you choose it right here, it's currently being on advanced. You can upload your CSV, TSV, or Excel file. But for this one, we only have one credit left for the advanced. That being said, you can also translate these languages. Text-to-speech is also available for this one. And that's basically PowerDrill for you. Again, I have a very comprehensive video about this one, so please check it out. Let's move on with the last one. Now for the last one, we're going to tackle ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT is the first AI that I really tried and I actually really love. Now before we get started, of course, I know you're familiar with this one, but for the sake of discussion, let's talk about the prices. Now these are the prices for ChatGPT. We have the free trial or $0 per month. We have plan and team. For this one, basically right now I'm using the free trial for the general audience, and I'm gonna make a paid version in the near future. Now with this one, you can choose ChatGPT Plus, ChatGPT for everyday or temporary chat. With this one, I also use my dummy Google account to proceed with ChatGPT. Now I can close the sidebar or I can reopen it. And these are the previous chats I have regarding ChatGPT. Now let's upload our file. Let me just choose the file I have from earlier. I actually love that file. This one right there. While it's currently uploading, I noticed something. PowerDrill versus ChatGPT regarding its upload speed. ChatGPT is the fastest among the four, or rather among the three. Faster than Julius and faster than PowerDrill. That being said, let's ask this question. Please provide some insight about the data. So I'm gonna see you once it's here. Welcome back to the video. Right now, ChatGPT gave me a very good answer. As you can see right here, the answer is project task, task management, progress up to performance insights, with each sub-description in each one of the answers. It also gave me sources. As you can see right here, we have Lucia, Quora up to LinkedIn. Now what if we upload the raw data let me just go in here, copy everything, and paste it right there. Now after pasting everything, let me just add an apostrophe on the last one, and of course the first one. Let's just enclose everything in apostrophe. Now without typing anything here, I'm gonna click on enter, and let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Now welcome back to the video. Right now, same thing, same answers. As you can see right here, we have 5 answers. Same goes with this one, however, with the added potential delays based on the raw data. Actually right here, it is actually 99% same versus the raw data and of course the uploaded file. Now what if we ask this one to convert it into a table? Can you please convert it, or rather convert the data into a table? Something like that. If I click on enter now, I'll see you once it's here. Now welcome back to the video. Again, we ask it to convert in the data into a table, right? And here is our table. Really awesome. Now if you're gonna ask me which one do I like more, ChatGPT, PowerDrill, or Julius, I'm still on the verge of I like them everything. I like them all. Now with this one, as you can see right here, we have project name, task name, assigned to, and to progress. Now what if we ask some questions pertaining to the data itself? Let's see if ChatGPT can really understand that. So what is the average, something like that. Let me just look for this one, average progress of the employees. And I'll see you once the answer is here. Now welcome back to the video. So I asked what is the average progress of the employees. So this is the answer. It gave me a really good list. It gave me the equation. It gave me the formula. And this is the answer. So the average progress of the employees across all tasks is approximately 0.25 or 0.215 or 21.5%. Really good, right? Now before we end the video, let me just type this one. Can you give me something like that? So can you give me a conclusion about the data? Let me just end this video with this simple prompt. So based on the project tracking data, here are some key conclusions. We have the overall progress, departments with the higher progress. We even have departments with lower progress. Take note, it even gave me some inclusion on the higher and lower progress. We have employee performance up to the recommendations. Awesome, right? Now that being said, those are the 3 data analyst tools that I'm going to share with you. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.